Sri Matre Nama. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 11th March 2025, Mashi Masam 27. Krodi Nama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Shishirdo, Mashi Masam, that is Kumbha Masam, Shukla Paksham, up to 10:32 a.m. Dwadashi, then Trayodashi, Bhauma Vasaram, that is Tuesday, Nakshatram, up to 3:55 a.m. Ailyam, then Magha Nakshatram. Today's Rahu Alam 3 to 4:30 p.m., Yamagandam 9 to 10:30 a.m., Guligalam 12 noon to 1:30 p.m., good time 7:30 to 9 a.m., then 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Dhanurashi, Shulam North.